In this video, you will learn how to raise a sales invoice. On the left-hand side in our menu, we have options for the quotes before we actually send a sales invoice and sales invoice. By clicking on sales invoice, we can create a new one. The sales invoice comes automatically by default, but if you need to amend it, you can also overwrite it. I'll be using examples from the case. We have Gregory MacDonald, who purchased on 5th of January 2 anniversary kits. Let's go ahead and choose our supplier. On the right hand side here, you can also add a new supplier quickly while you're in sales invoice. The issue date is the date of invoice, and it's 5th of January. And the due date is 30 days. Let's select 5th of February. The currency is in pounds, but if you need to change the currency to a customer based overseas, for example, America, you can select dollars. Automatic credit control means the customer will get reminders for outstanding balance as you set up on the default system. If the customer sends you a purchase order, you can also add a purchase order in this reference here. Billing address comes automatically, so you can change this in a context section. Let's add the line first. We're selling goods, and we're selling anniversary and dinosaur party kit. I'll choose a description here. If you haven't set up the product, you can also do the product setup here. And I will use a quick add for the product. So we're selling this product for, say, £40 and with VAT rate exclusive, which means we add VAT rate. If you need to add any comments, you can simply add a comment below. Delivery will take place on 7th of January 2022. And once you're ready, you can click Save. Now we can see the invoice and how it looks on the invoice template. You can see that invoice unpaid, still due, and also the note on the bottom of the invoice. You can then email this invoice directly to customer, print and post it, or mark as sent if you send it automatically via email. Next, on the invoice itself, you have additional options. For example, you can add a payment directly through invoice, or you can refund your customer if there was some fault in the products. And other options to enable card payment for the customer or set up a direct debit for the customer for this invoice, if you have repetitive or if there's a split of payment for this invoice. I will click Mark as Sent.